Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to break a line of text within a cell in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with longer text entries that need better formatting, or when you want to make your data more readable without expanding column widths unnecessarily. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. This is your central hub for accessing everything you've created or shared within Google Workspace. From your Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet you want to edit. This will open the file in Google Sheets, giving you full access to all your data and formatting options. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct spreadsheet before moving forward. Now, let's say you have a cell with long data, perhaps in a column labeled goal, and you want to break the line of text within that cell to make it more organized and easier to read. The process is straightforward once you know the right keyboard shortcut to break the line. Start by double-clicking on the cell that contains the text you want to modify. This action puts the cell into edit mode, allowing you to work directly with the text inside. You'll notice your cursor is now active within the cell, ready for you to make changes. Next, click on the specific area or part of the data where you want to insert the line break. Position your cursor exactly where you'd like the text to split onto a new line. This precision ensures your formatting looks exactly as you intend. Once your cursor is in position, press Ctrl and Enter simultaneously on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut instantly creates a line break at that exact spot, pushing the remaining text down to the next line within the same cell. You'll see the text reorganize immediately, giving you a much cleaner appearance. Let's practice this again with another cell to make sure you've got it down. Click on another cell that needs a line break, then click on the specific area within the text where you want the break to occur. Press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard once more, and you'll see the same result, a clean line break that keeps all your text contained within one cell while improving readability. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to break lines within cells in Google Sheets, making your spreadsheets more organized and professional looking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.